Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a restore point and using an administrator account so you can revert if needed. Once done, close Microsoft Edge and open Task Manager to end any mseg. EXE processes, make sure no background instances remain. Then run PowerShell as administrator and install the Windows Update Readiness tools if prompted. This protects system components while you alter browser files. These preparatory steps let you proceed safely into the file-level disable process. Now you take ownership of the Microsoft Edge application folder and use elevated permissions to rename the primary executable and its supporting folders to A. Back extension. This prevents Windows from launching Edge. While renaming, make sure to update folder permissions so automatic repairs or updates cannot immediately recreate the original files. If a file is locked, reboot to safe mode and repeat the rename. These steps effectively break Edge's launch path without uninstalling core system components. Finally, disable Edge auto repair by applying a group policy or registry change that blocks automatic reinstallation and update triggers. Once set, reboot the PC. After restart, test links and default browser settings to confirm Edge does not open. Make sure other apps still handle web protocols correctly. If anything breaks, immediately restore the back file names and revert the registry or policy. That troubleshooting tip returns the system to its previous state and prevents prolonged disruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.